Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use some grout. Okay guys, let's get to it. So first step, we've got this grout. Just going to grab a handful and put it in our container here. Next step, we're going to add some water. Then we're going to mix it. Add some more water. So you want to mix it until all the hard bits are gone and it's not too watery. If it's too watery, it's no good. You'll have to add some more grout. So this is too watery, so we need to add some more grout. So keep mixing it till all the hard bits are gone. So we only need a little bit today because we're doing some repairs. We have a shower and some grout has come away. So this will be enough. Okay, so you can see that. That's a nice thick mixture. You don't want it too runny. This is a perfect mixture like that. Okay, let's go install it. Okay guys, so this is what we'll be repairing. As you can see, the grout here is missing. So we're going to fill up that gap and it'll be all good again. So give your grout a bit of a mix again before you apply it. Now because this is a shower, you want to make sure that there's no water underneath there, so probably don't use the shower for a day. Okay, now you just get some grout and simply just put it underneath. And you want to try and push it right under there, so it fills up the gap. Don't worry about the mess, that's easy to clean up after. Now if you don't have the proper grouting tools, that's okay, you can just use your finger. So you just want to run your finger across the gap. And how easy was that? You can clean up the rest of it. Then with a wet sponge, you can wipe up the rest. Look at that, how easy was that? So that's it guys, that's how you repair some grout.